5 p.m. in downtown San Diego. 16th and Island Avenue is crowded with city workers and commuters, but the afternoon peace is shattered when Officer Grijalva spots a woman charging at civilians with what looks like a deadly weapon. The commands are clear: drop the pick. But 32-year-old Denise Christy Guzman doesn't stop. What follows is a chaotic sequence of gunfire, a taser deployment, and a shocking revelation about the object in her hand.
You with the fucking backpack, drop the pick! You guys, get away! Drop the pick in your hand right now! Sir, move! Drop the pick or I'll fucking shoot you! When at gunpoint, not compliant. Hey! Drop the fucking pick! Shot fired. Drop the pen! Drop the pen right now! Facing westbound 1600 Island. Drop the pen! Get on the fucking ground right now! Get on the ground! Back up! Get on the ground! Get on the fucking ground or I'm gonna shoot you! So not complying to walking up on me. Oh, yes. Get on the ground! Get on the ground! It's just it's a pen. It's a pen, it's a pen. You got We're on 1600 Island, South Curb line. Back up. Hey, everybody's back up. Get on the ground.
Stop, drop it.
Drop the pen. Drop the pen. You're under arrest. Drop it. Drop the pen. Don't get up yet. Stand by. Drop the pen now.
Drop the pen.
I got the left hand.
Guzman survived her non-life-threatening injuries and now faces multiple felony charges, including assault with a deadly weapon. In the eyes of the district attorney, the intent made the pen a weapon. For the officers involved, it was a split-second decision in a city that is becoming increasingly unpredictable. This is the reality of San Diego in 2026.